I just finished cutting down 3 ash trees, and it is time to sharpen the blade on my chainsaw. So I've got my kit, and I will put a link in the description of where you can get one if you don't have one. I like to keep a chalk pencil or marker in my kit. I use that to mark one of the teeth so I know where I started. I'm going to be using a 5/32 file, and I like to use a guide that has a 30-degree angle indicated on it. The rest of the kit I won't be using today, so I'm going to put that off to the side. If you haven't sharpened your blade before and you don't know your chain specifications, you should be able to look up your model number online and get the size. Once you know the size, it's usually the smallest file in a 3-file set, but I zoomed in with my iPhone camera just so you can see that 5/32. So I like to rest my chainsaw on a tree stump so that it can make contact with the wood. It's better than a metal table or a cement floor, as those can actually dull the teeth if they're making contact. So I like to position myself behind it, and I'm going to be moving the chainsaw blade forward with my left hand while I'm sharpening with my right. Okay, once you get yourself comfortable, and again, I've got my glove on my left hand, I'm going to use my chalk marker first, and I'm going to mark one of the teeth. And again, I'm marking a tooth so that as I go around the blade, I know where I started. And now with that tooth marked, I'm going to slide the blade forward with my left hand, and with my right, I'm going to line up that line on the guide that's at a 30-degree angle, and I'm going to do 3 smooth strokes forward in a straight line. Just 3 strokes. That's all you really need to do, because you're just trying to take off any nicks. Then you're going to move to the next tooth. Line up that 30-degree angle and 3 smooth strokes. You're going to continue this process on each tooth until you go all the way around your bar and get to that white mark again. Once I see that that white marked tooth has made its cycle all the way around the bar, then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to switch and take the file in my left hand, and I'm going to move the blade forward with a glove and my right hand. Now I am right-handed, so sharpening with my left hand is a little awkward, but I go nice and slow, and I just line up that 30-degree line and slide the file forward. So I typically sharpen the left side or with my left hand a little slower than I do with my right, but it doesn't matter. What's important is that you do 3 smooth strokes, and you keep that angle at 30 degrees, and then you'll have a nice sharp chainsaw for the next time you need to cut up some wood. So again, my program is every full tank of gas, I like to run a file over my chain. And again, 3 smooth strokes for each tooth. No more unless I hit a nail or I did something. But if you do this on a regular basis, your chain will last a very long time. You'll have no problem cutting through wood, and there's certainly no need to go out and buy a new chain each season. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.